Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is my Pipsticks Pro Kit for October, and it shipped really fast. When I got the notice I was like, nah, it's not on the way. I was skeptical. And I was debating whether or not I should get this just because I'm trying to have less subscriptions, but I love this, by the way. But like, if I counted the ones that I like, that I would definitely like to own, and eventually I would pay up whatever those sticker packs were, and it would be the same as paying $18 for the kit. But the one for November is the one that I absolutely want. It is so cute. If you haven't seen the sneaks, they are all over Instagram. What is your sticker ritual to hoard them? A note from Mo, as always. And then we have like a little crossword. Really cute. Oh, because they have, now I remembered. They have like kitchen related items, and it was a very homey pack. And this one with the timers was one that I knew for sure that I wanted. Well, I don't know why I'm zooming in. You're gonna see it in a minute. How many matches can you find? I'm gonna do what I do with my real socks, give it to my children so they can figure it out. Ultimate indoor bucket list. And then inside there's a spoiler that I am not going to share. I love this, and I could cut it into a 3x4 card. I'd rather stay home. This is the cutest. And one of the washi tapes was this pattern, and I love the washi tape for this month. And then here it says scan for something fun. Let me get my phone, and oh, and it's just like a recipe, and that's cute though. It's a printable. And I like that it has one for ingredients and one for directions. And I might use that in my December daily. I always add one new recipe. So let's see what's in here. And I'm always surprised of how kind of chunky this pack is, especially because there is no packaging. One of my favorite things about it. And I love this one. These are supposed to be pillows, and they're pretty cute. My favorite one is the rainbow and dancing queen, this pillow. Then we got a little mug here too. Cute, cute, cute. This one is gilded lacework. Oh, and these two are the limited edition. I think there's one more. Meh. It's cute. Would I buy it if it didn't came in the kit? Probably not. It's very pretty. Maybe if I use it with black paper like behind it, or in those notebooks that are black, like the Archer and Olive one. Yeah, I can see it. You know what? Sometimes my brain needs a little warm up, and it gets there. Okay, so let me keep moving. This one was one that I definitely wanted, and it's the Art of Latte. And let me get something. That's the postcard for this month. It's cute though, but but I love this one. Better latte than never. That is so cute. I love that quote, better latte than never. I might letter that. That would be cute. Then we got the pandas mix and matcha. It's pretty cute. I know that my little one loves pandas, so she might steal this one from me. And this is the one that I really, really, really wanted. It's called Time After Time. And it's so cute. It has the burgers, the strawberry, a cow. And my daughter has one of these timers for brushing her teeth. And it's this exact same cow. But it gets stuck. It's really weird. But it's cute. Okay. And then we have this one, which is Placing Pantry. And I like that this is the Nespresso coffee. I have a niece that is obsessed with like ramen noodles, like any kind of ramen. So that every time I see something ramen, I'm like, oh my god, look. And she's like, I'm not that into ramen that I want stickers of that. Waffle, lot of fun. This is so cute. This is one of my favorites, and I love the rainbow waffles. I never thought about making rainbow waffles for my little ones. Just a lot of work though. Ooh, I love the vinyl sticker that I got. I know that another one was the Lucky Cat, I want to say. I'm not completely sure. And then we get Use Your Noodle. And I have some pictures that I took when I went with my book club buddy to eat noodles. So this might be perfect for that. Super cute. Let me put it on top of the canvas. And these are the puppies. Ultimate Comfort. Aww. My little one's just dying to get a pet. But I know that I'm gonna end up cleaning up the poopies and doing all the dogging. I don't know, like the dog owner things. So I don't want to. Not so terrible, but. And this one I wanted for sure. Retrovision. Shout out to those of you who changed the TV with the dial clack, clack, clack. And you have to put it in channel 3 to like play with your Nintendo. Oh my god. I said that and my back hurt a little. It just hurt. Wow, you're really old. Let me send a shock through you. And we have Mid-Mud Mushrooms. And I didn't care about this one. I don't even remember this one. It's really cute. And it has some acorns too. That's really cute. I feel like I'm covering them. And then we have this one, which is Pet Portraits. This is really cute. Another one that might be stolen by my little one. Pretty sure she's gonna write me a letter like, "Dear mother, please get me a pet." And this, I'm always excited about the little ones. But this one is so cute. We got leaves, acorns, mushrooms, snails. So cute. And then we get, this one is another limited edition. It's staticky. It says Country Pleasures. And yeah, has a bunch of country stuff. That's cute. So this kit, not my favorite, really cute. I wish this one had like a clear background rather than this brown. I still like it, which is my preference. Okay, so I'm gonna pick my favorites. Let's see if, okay. So, definitely the, ooh, I thought it was gonna be really easy, and then I was like, well, now I have to pick one. Even though I love the waffles, I love the latte, it's gonna be the TVs. I thought it was gonna be the dials. That one is a really close second, but these TVs are just too cool. And you can put a number in there, put week, and then the number here. How cool would that be? So yeah, and if I have to pick a top 3, which I often do, then I would say I'm gonna go with Time After Time and Waffle, a lot of fun. Yeah. So still worth the price in my opinion. I got a kid that also likes stickers too, so I know that those panda stickers, they're not mine anymore. She might take the Lucky Cats. This one with the pet portraits, I know that for sure she'll want that. I'll put this here so you can see it. So yeah, let me know what was your favorite sticker sheet or your top 3 if you can decide like me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.